In this Smokeless Chimney technical content, we're going to talk about a measurement window and candle testing. A measurement window is the path that the light takes through the media you're trying to measure. In this case, it's 6 millimeters in diameter and 150 millimeters long. The only thing I could find was a soda straw that was similar to the shape and volume of the measurement window. I drafted up some protocols, a draft protocol for candle testing where we collect baseline information for 5 minutes. We light the candle 1 minute before 5 minutes, and then we insert the candle into the light beam area. So it's emitting smoke particles into the region below the optical path, and we measure the smoke emissions during flaming, and then we extinguish the candle flames. You can use various methods, however, blowing them out seems to be the best. And then we measure the smoke for another 5 minutes and then shut the data system off. And I'll show you the test results from one of these. The most sensitive sensor channel appears to be the clear diode response. And you can see here that we have very flat line reading until we put the candle in, and we get quite a bit of noise. And then when we extinguish it at 10 minutes, we get a puff of smoke. It's pretty clear in the data. Incident light in lux is the sensor most important for opacity reading, and it shows a very similar to the clear diode because it's based on the clear diode signal. The opacity and color shift information is very subtle. However, there's a clear signal after 5 minutes, change in signal after 5 minutes, and clear smoke emissions at 10 minutes. This is a magnified and 50% slowed down view of the light port.